Want to lose weight while still enjoying delicious foods? Well, it's possible. Today, we're exploring 25 foods that help you lose weight. We're not just talking about bland, tasteless options here. No, these are foods that are not only delicious but also packed with nutritional benefits. They're high in fiber and protein, which are key for a feeling of fullness. They're also low in calories, so you can eat more without worrying about overeating. Plus, many of these foods have other health benefits too, like being rich in antioxidants or good for heart health. So whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or just want to make healthier choices, these foods are a great place to start. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice taste for health. Ready to discover these amazing foods? Then, let's dive right in. Kickstarting our list, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale, filled with nutrients and low in calories. These green powerhouses are a dieter's dream come true. They're packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the need to snack between meals. Plus, they're teeming with vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. Next up, let's talk about salmon. This flavorful fish is a nutritional superstar, boasting high levels of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Protein plays a key role in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and aiding in muscle repair and growth. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, support heart health and may even help lower body fat levels. Moving on to lean proteins. Think chicken breast, turkey, tofu, and beans. These foods are protein-rich, helping to curb your hunger and maintain muscle mass while losing weight. Remember, protein is more satiating than carbs or fats, meaning you'll likely eat less overall if your meals are high in protein. Last, but certainly not least in this segment, we have eggs. They're not only a good source of protein, but also loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline. Some research even suggests that starting your day with eggs can help you eat fewer calories throughout the day. These foods are not only delicious, but also keep you satisfied, ensuring you're not reaching for unhealthy snacks. Moving on, berries, quinoa, Greek yogurt, and nuts and seeds make the cut. Let's delve into why these foods are such superstars in the world of weight loss. Starting with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These tiny fruits are low in calories but high in fiber. This means they not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also keep you feeling full for longer. And let's not forget their abundance of antioxidants, which help your body fight off harmful free radicals. Next up, quinoa, a whole grain that's becoming increasingly popular in health circles. This superfood is high in both protein and fiber, a powerful combination that can keep you feeling satiated. Plus, it provides sustained energy, making it an excellent choice for those midday meals when you need a little extra boost. Now let's talk about Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is high in protein, which promotes feelings of fullness. But that's not all. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, those friendly bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut. And a healthy gut can mean better overall health, including more efficient weight loss. Finally, we arrive at nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, you name it. These little powerhouses provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which can support weight loss. They make for a perfect snack, satisfying your craving for something crunchy while keeping your hunger at bay. Each of these foods brings its unique blend of nutrients to the table, all while helping you feel full and satisfied. And the best part? They're not just good for weight loss. They're also delicious and versatile, fitting easily into a variety of meals and snacks. So, whether you're whipping up a breakfast smoothie, preparing a lunchtime salad, or looking for a healthy afternoon snack, these foods have got you covered. Adding these foods to your diet can make your weight loss journey much more enjoyable. So why wait? Start incorporating these nutritious and delicious foods into your meals today, and watch as they work their magic on your waistline. Scene script. Next on our list are avocado, a variety of colorful vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and cottage cheese. Let's start with the avocado, a creamy, nutrient-dense fruit that packs a punch of healthy monounsaturated fats. This heart-healthy fat supports your overall well-being and contributes to feelings of fullness, making it a great addition to your weight loss diet. Avocado is also high in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Moving on to colorful vegetables, think rainbow. From red bell peppers to green broccoli and yellow squash, Incorporating a variety of colorful veggies can add vibrancy to your meals and provide a wealth of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The fiber in these veggies not only supports digestion, but also keeps you feeling full longer, helping to curb unnecessary snacking and overeating. Speaking of fiber, legumes are another fantastic source. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in both fiber and protein, a powerful combination that promotes a feeling of fullness. Plus, they're versatile. You can toss them into salads, soups, or stir-fries, or even blend them into dips for a nutritious snack. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats bring more than just fiber to the table. They also offer a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Whole grains, unlike their refined counterparts, retain all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means they're packed with nutrients and can help you stay satisfied longer. Last but certainly not least, we have cottage cheese. This humble dairy product is high in protein and low in fat, making it a perfect choice for those aiming to lose weight. The protein in cottage cheese can help you feel full and satisfied, making it an ideal choice for a filling snack or a light meal. Plus, it's versatile and can be paired with a variety of foods, from fresh fruits to crunchy veggies. Incorporating these foods into your meals can help you meet your weight loss goals while still eating tasty and nutritious food. We're nearing the end of our list, but there are still some great foods to mention, starting with lean meats: grapefruit, cucumber, celery, tomatoes, and chili peppers. Lean cuts of meat, such as beef and pork, are not only delicious, but also high in protein and essential nutrients. They provide the necessary fuel for your body without packing in excessive calories. It's like having your steak and eating it too. Next, we have grapefruit, a citrus powerhouse that's not just a breakfast staple. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may have properties that aid weight loss. It's low in calories, high in hydration, and packed with vitamins. It's a zesty way to start your day or a refreshing snack in between meals. Cucumbers are another great addition to your weight loss menu. They're low in calories and high in water content, making them a refreshing and filling snack. Whether you like them in your salads or as a crunchy snack, cucumbers are a cool way to keep the calories at bay. Then there's celery, often considered a negative calorie food. What does that mean? It's simple. Your body burns more calories digesting celery than the celery actually contains. Plus, its high water content makes it an excellent choice for hydration and a satisfying crunch. Tomatoes, rich in antioxidants, bring a flavorful punch to your dishes. They're a good source of vitamin C and other nutrients, and they can help you feel full without adding many calories. Whether in a salad, a sandwich, or a sauce, tomatoes are a versatile ingredient that can spice up your meals while keeping your health goals on track. Finally, we have chili peppers. They contain capsaicin, a compound that can kick up your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Not to mention, they add a fiery flavor to your dishes, making weight loss a spicy adventure. These foods can add variety and flavor to your meals, making weight loss a more enjoyable process. These aren't just foods, they're tools in your weight loss journey, helping you reach your goals while enjoying the ride. To round off our list, we have mushrooms, watermelon, green tea, cauliflower, broccoli, and lentils. Mushrooms, low in calories yet rich in nutrients, can add a nutritious boost to any meal. Watermelon, with high water content, serves as a hydrating, low-calorie snack. Next up, green tea. Renowned for its antioxidants, it's also touted for its potential metabolism-boosting properties. Now let's talk about cauliflower. This versatile vegetable can cleverly substitute higher calorie ingredients, keeping your meals light yet satisfying. Broccoli, a nutrient-dense, low-calorie vegetable, is high in fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you satiated. Lastly, we have lentils. These humble legumes are not only a good source of protein and fiber, but can also make a filling and nutritious addition to meals, contributing to a feeling of fullness that can curb overeating. Including these foods in your diet can make your weight loss journey more satisfying and nutritious. So there you have it, 25 foods that can help you lose weight while still enjoying what you eat. We've covered everything from nutrient-dense leafy greens to proteins like salmon and eggs, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied. We've dug into the benefits of berries, not only for their low calorie count, but also for their high fiber content and antioxidant richness. And let's not forget about whole grains like quinoa, which can provide sustained energy and help maintain a feeling of fullness. We've also discussed the importance of including a variety of colorful vegetables in your diet, not just for their low calorie content, but also for the essential vitamins and minerals they provide. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas have been highlighted for their high fiber and protein content, which can help promote feelings of fullness. Moreover, we've underlined the benefits of Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, and avocados, all of which are high in protein and healthy fats, contributing to a balanced and nutritious diet. We've also explored the potential weight loss properties of grapefruit and the metabolism-boosting effects of capsaicin found in chili peppers. Finally, we've considered the versatility of cauliflower as a low-calorie substitute for higher-calorie ingredients and the nutrient-dense qualities of broccoli and lentils, which can make them a nutritious addition to meals. But remember, while these foods can contribute to weight loss, they are not magic bullets. Weight loss is a complex process that involves not only what you eat, but also other factors such as physical activity, sleep, stress management, and overall lifestyle. So, as we conclude our journey through these 25 weight loss-friendly foods, it's important to remember that adopting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is just one piece of the weight loss puzzle. It's essential to incorporate these foods into a well-rounded, sustainable approach to health and wellness. Remember, weight loss is a complex process, and it's essential to adopt a well-rounded approach. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Stay healthy and enjoy your journey to weight loss.